Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to download GB WhatsApp. So let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can actually head over and just click on any browser that you prepare to open. So for me, I have here the Google Chrome. I'll just open that. And then in here I can see the search bar. So click on the search bar and search in here for GB WhatsApp download. So let's search in here. And once we have searched for that, we can just head over and scroll down until we reach some options right here. So you can see this GB WhatsApp download. So click on this one. And then from in there, you just need to scroll down until you can see everything. So you can see the download button right here. Click on that. And then in here, as you can see, download has started. So click on download anyway. Click on the details right here so we can see the progress of our download. As you can see, the GB WhatsApp is uploading or downloading smoothly right here. Now we can just wait for this to finish the download process. Once it's been finished, we can actually just click on the file that we have downloaded and click on install right here. Once you have clicked on install, it will install it to our actual device. So in here, just click on open right here in order to open it. And once you have clicked on that, you should be able to use your GB WhatsApp on your actual device. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download GB WhatsApp. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks!